Geotab turns your vehicle data into actionable insights for smarter fleet management. Track vehicles in real time, monitor driver behavior, and identify opportunities to improve efficiency and safety. Geotab's live location tracking gives you a real-time view of your entire fleet. See every vehicle's current position and movement, empowering you to make informed decisions on the fly. Get instant details on any vehicle. Just hover over its icon to see its name, speed, and any important alerts like harsh braking or speeding. Different icons represent different vehicle statuses. Easily distinguish between vehicles that are moving, idling, or stopped. Need a closer look? Click on any vehicle to zoom in and see its live location on the map. If your vehicle is equipped with a camera, you can even access live video footage of its journey. See what your drivers see in real time. Geotab's Trip History feature lets you travel back in time and see where your vehicles have been, not just today, but even up to 2 years ago. Easily access any vehicle's trip history. See where it's been throughout the day or on previous days. Each stop along the route is marked. See the address, time spent there, and even how long the vehicle was idling. Hover over any part of the breadcrumb trail to get detailed information. Zones, also known as geofences or landmarks, allow you to set virtual boundaries around specific areas or customer locations. With zones, you can understand estimated arrival times, see how long a vehicle spends within a zone, and get notified if a vehicle leaves a designated area. This helps you optimize routes, improve customer service, and enhance overall fleet efficiency. Rules are your key to proactive fleet management. They help enforce company policies and ensure driver safety. Geotab comes with the most common rules pre-built, making it easy to get started. You can customize these rules to fit your specific needs. For instance, you can adjust the speeding threshold for different zones or vehicles. But the real power lies in creating custom rules tailored to your unique requirements. Combine multiple events to create complex rules. For example, tailgating plus speeding plus cell phone use can trigger a dangerous driving alert. If you have dash cams installed, you can even include video evidence in your alerts. When a rule is broken, get instant notifications via email or in-app alerts. Ready to transform your fleet management with Geotab? Sign up for a free demo today.